And here's another video explaining why you need to start posting YouTube shorts. I know I've spoken about that before, but this time I do have some great news. I posted recently a lot of shorts, and while I was traveling back to Europe, I made over $700 with one shorts. So I'll show you exactly what happened. Okay, I am sure you can hear me now. So this is my studio, and the video that picked up a lot of views and subscribers actually is this one. I guess too much coffee isn't good. I had 8 million views. So 8.1 million views, 700 subscribers, and estimated revenue is $777. Yeah, it did really well. It was my shorts. I had actually another one that did quite good, and I'll show it to you. So if I go back, it's this one. 3.2 million views, over 386 subscribers, and estimated revenue is $352. So as you can see, only 2 videos. I was kind of posting about 5 YouTube shorts per day. And again, I'm not creating shorts I'm not creating videos just for my YouTube shorts. I'm actually like reposting my videos from my Instagram account, so it really doesn't take much work. It's just a matter of reposting. And I was posting 5 shorts per day, and out of that, 2 videos really picked up and actually made me some good income, and I gained a lot of subscribers. So I'm over 5,500 subscribers right now. There's a little bit of wind, so it might not be so good, but my point is, don't be afraid of posting some shorts, because you never know, it might help your channel to grow. I know that the people that are going to subscribe to your shorts might not be the type of people you want for your long form content, but it's going to help, because it's still going to help. You still can have a chance to earn some sort of an income with your short videos. And you know what, if those people are starting to watch your long form videos, then the algorithm is going to push those as well for you. So my point is, don't be afraid of posting short form videos, even though your channel is meant to be for long form videos. And as I always said, your short videos don't necessarily to be 100% related to your long form videos. My ones are related to my target audience, and which are my target audience is people around 35, 40 plus years old, and that's what it is. So my short form videos are fun, relatable, and related to the problem or lifestyle when we're in that age range. So yeah, so you don't need to think too much about creating complicated videos. It has to be relatable. It just has to be relatable. For whatever content you're creating, you need to relate to someone for something. So yeah, so if this can help someone to start on YouTube, whether it's for long form or short form videos, well, I hope it does help someone. Just do it. Just start your channel and start posting because you really don't know which video can pick up and help your channel to grow, because it only takes one video to help your channel to grow and make some sort of an income. I'll see you on the next one, guys.